All right, so I love the intro. I love the name of the film. I think it's super interesting. I like the wide shot. I think it kind of gives it a clear representation of the movie or of the quick film. Kind of gives you the like, what's it gonna be like? I like this. Good acting, honestly. The tears were amazing, unreal. I think a close up of him crying would be kind of cool, and then maybe another close up of like maybe like a tear going down his face. I think that would also be cool. Um, maybe like a. I love this angle. I also think maybe the if you have an angle of like the camera facing up with his arms, his hands like that would be kind of cool. Um, Adding a sound effect into that, like hand movement, would be a good one. Love that. Love that. I think maybe like another different angle, maybe from above to show empowerment, if that's what is trying to be showed. Oh, maybe not because he's sad. I think he should have also. Love the dog. Love the dog. Love this view. I think it shows a really good view of the outside. Kind of cool. Like the colors. Camera looks like it's focused. Maybe having this scene in the beginning and then him would be kind of cool. But that was kind of cool. I loved it. I think that lighting was good. Maybe you could change up the lighting depending on if he's sad or not to make it like a total mood. Um, Also, the acting was really good. Like him crying was unreal. But I think that I don't know if you can't obviously can't do anything about it now, but his logo on his shirt probably should have been either like taped over or maybe just a different shirt in general. Um, I think your strengths of the shot with the focus was great. I think maybe using a couple different angles if you have them would be good too, like close ups to kind of show like when he's upset. Um, yeah, let's see. You definitely probably have a lot more shots, so I would definitely add in like more back and forth shots. I think it will make the film a little more interesting, just so it's not like long shots of something. But overall, I think you did a great job. Yay!